Whenever people install a subsidy system, their common complaint is that a subsidy system costs them much more than a normal solar system. But inside a subsidy system, different components are installed and their prices are also different. So here, the main component inside the subsidy system is the solar inverter, and you can find it in many different brands at different prices. But today we have brought for you the Eastman brand Solar Link Series Grid Tie inverter, which you can get on Amazon itself with a very good discount. So what you can see with me here is Eastman's 3 kilowatt grid tie inverter, which is most commonly used for subsidy, and Eastman has currently announced a very good discount deal here that you will get on their 3 kilowatt and 5 kilowatt inverters, which you will know at the end of the video. Before that, let us talk about the inverter. So first, let's unbox the inverter and talk about its features. And in this inverter, you get such features that you may hardly see in inverters of other brands. So first, I will take the inverter out of the box. So the inverter comes with very good packaging. You can see this type of packaging has been done for the inverter. And along with the inverter, you also get this warranty card on which 120-month warranty is written. So you get a full 10-year warranty on this inverter. And there are very few brands in the market that provide such a long warranty, and a longer warranty means the brand is confident that the product they are giving you will work very perfectly for such a long time. Along with this, MC4 connectors are provided here, and connectors are also provided here for AC connection. And here some space and mounting hardware are given so that you can easily install it on the wall. Along with this, for remote monitoring, you also get a data logger with it, which is manufactured by Eastman itself. And on this dongle, you also get a 1-year warranty. With the help of this dongle, you can use features like app monitoring, and here Eastman has its own app which you can install on your phone. And after setting up the app, you can see the complete data of the inverter on your phone itself. How much generation is happening, how much you have imported, how much you have exported, complete details you get to see on your phone. So this is our inverter unit, and here on the front side you get a display. Below it some buttons are given. With them you can see the generation inside it, or at the time when generation is happening, you can also see the solar panel voltage and similar details inside it, or how much total generation has happened. You can see that also inside the display, and the design given here is very good, as you can see. And at the back a heat sink is given which will keep it cool. And if we talk about the bottom, here MC4 connectors are given to connect solar panels, and here a terminal is also given to connect the data logger, and here the AC input terminal connects. And on the side its technical specifications are given. As you can see here, its model number is EGT3K, and this is a single phase inverter. Inside it you can connect solar panels up to 3.9 kilowatt, and here its DC input voltage is 550 volt. That means you can connect approximately 6 panels in series to this inverter. Apart from this, the AC rated power given here is 3 kilowatt. That means even if you have installed panels up to 3.9 kilowatt, you will still get output power up to 3 kilowatt. Its benefit is seen when sunlight is low in the morning or low in the evening. So if you have installed more panels, you will get more electricity in the morning and more electricity in the evening. Along with this, its operating temperature range is from -25 degrees Celsius to +65 degrees Celsius. And inside it, you get IP65 rated protection, and its protection level is class 1. Apart from this, its standards are given here, and below some safety warnings are given, and this product is BIS approved. So it is also eligible for subsidy. Now let us talk about the features of this inverter. As we first mentioned, the warranty, which is 10 years. From high warranty itself, we understand how good a product the brand is making here. If they are giving more warranty, then the inverter is definitely of very best quality. Along with this, inside this inverter, you get a zero export feature. With this, even if your net metering is not done, you can still use your solar power with the inverter. And when your net metering is done, you can enable the grid export feature and use it. With this, our electricity bill can even become zero. Along with this, the inverter design is very compact and lightweight. Because of this, you can easily install it on the wall. And inside this inverter, you get type 2 SPD enabled on both AC and DC side. And here inside this inverter, you also get a temperature guard which helps increase its safety and long life. Now let us talk about its pricing. At present, its price on Amazon is 15,999 rupees. So if you want to buy Eastman company's Grita inverter, currently you get a discount of 1,000 rupees on the 3 kilowatt inverter. The discount coupon code you can see here. If you want their 5 kilowatt Grita inverter, you get a discount of 1,500 rupees on the 5 kilowatt Grita inverter. Apart from this, many times a sale runs in which you also get extra discount on credit card. So if you purchase it by combining both discounts, you can buy it at a very good price. By using the coupon code shown on the display, you can directly purchase it online. If you still have any question or suggestion about it, comment in the video comment box. If you like the video, like and share it. Also, subscribe to our channel. Along with subscribing, press the bell icon so that you keep getting such videos from time to time. Thank you.